Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing the first ever TRENDMOOD box. Now I am all the way in Alabama, so I may be the last person on the planet to have received my box, but I'm so excited. I asked you guys in a poll on Instagram if you would like to see me unbox it in a story or in a YouTube video. Over 70% of the people who voted were already saying do a YouTube video, so here I am sitting down to do that. I have on a little snazzual outfit, like snazzy casual. Not really, it's mostly just casual. Without further ado, I have the TRENDMOOD box right here. So I'm gonna try to give you guys as much information as I can as well, because I know a lot of people are confused about like what the box is, the prices, the dates, like all that kind of good stuff. So I'm gonna try to answer some of your questions first, and then we'll dive into the products. If you've followed TRENDMOOD or TRENDMOOD.box, then you have seen, you know, the spoilers of this. We all kind of know what we're getting in this, but I still wanted to show you guys and just share the excitement with you. So this box is not a subscription box. It's not something that you have to sign up for. What they're going to be doing is hopefully once a month. They said it may vary time-wise, but there will be more volumes. They did say volume 2 is on the way, so I'm sure we'll see some sneak peeks and spoilers coming up soon, but it will be something that you'll have to just follow at TRENDMOOD1 or at TRENDMOOD.box. They'll keep you updated. I will also try to repost for you guys because I know a lot of people are probably really interested, so I'll add some stuff to my Instagram story, like if they post like any details and things like that, so that you guys can go click on it. The items, the price, and the timing of the box is always going to vary, at least at this point. So they're not going to do something where you have to subscribe. It's just going to be something where it becomes available, there's a certain amount, we have a chance to order, and then it will sell out, and then you have to look forward to the next volume. So I kind of like it this way because there's always going to be plenty of spoilers to let us know what's going to be in the box. That way, if you're really not into the items, then you just know you're going to skip over this one and maybe look out for the next one. But I was super intrigued. The items in this look so good, and for $39 I really don't think you could beat it. I was super excited. Once I started seeing spoilers and they hadn't yet listed the price, I was expecting more like the $50 to $60 price range. So when this came out at $39, I'm like, whoa, that is a crazy good deal. So of course I was super excited to get it today. And I want to also say thank you so much to Sophie, she is TRENDMOOD, and Mr. TRENDMOOD, because I know they've both been working on this. Thank you for such a seamless launch. Like obviously I know some people are going to be disappointed because it sold out, but I had no issues checking out. It was not like a debacle. I got the email, I clicked on it, I went, I bought it, done. It was super easy. And here lately we know that launches are not always going smoothly. This one was very smooth, at least for me. So I just want to say thank you for making it easy and seamless, and that way it was really enjoyable. I literally clicked and got my box and I was done, and then all I had to do was sit and stare out my window and wait for the box to arrive. Of course, if you have any questions about the products, the box, whatever, just list them down below and I will try to get back with you guys. But just kind of keep in mind, this is not a subscription, and as of right now there's no consistency in it. It's basically going to be like when the products make sense to make a box. So they're trying really hard to get us brand new launches in these boxes as well, which launches vary by brand. I mean, it's not going to be every single month that there's a certain amount of launches that go with this. It's a lot of planning. I imagine just starting out it would be difficult to make it a consistent, every month you get billed on this day, you get it this day. And I like this way a little bit better, and there's transparency in it, because if they were to, you know, make some promises and then they weren't able to follow through for whatever reason, then everybody's disappointed. It can become a really big mess really quickly. So I'm really happy that they're doing it this way, at least for now. I mean, I have no problem with it. So that is it for this informational portion of this video. Let's see what I got. Obviously I know, like, this is a little different because I do know what I'm getting, but I'm still super excited nonetheless. They included a little QR code. Let's try this code because I am so curious. And if you don't know, you can just scan that with your phone. Oh, it says it's been disabled. What? Surely other people know that. Okay, well, it is what it is. I have enough information on the products. I can always look them up. So let's get into it. We got some like educational type items in here about the products within. A couple of them I've seen at Sephora. They just recently launched and I'm so excited to have them. All right, right on top I got the Elsie Velvet Sponge. So you guys of course may have seen this. I don't believe I've tried anything from Elsie. I feel like this is, wow, it's really big. I wasn't expecting like such a big sponge, and I wonder, it feels a little bit firm. It's firmer than a beauty blender, but it's not as firm as like those really cheapy sponges that you can pick up at like TJ Maxx. It's not that firm. It's got a little bounce to it, so I can't wait to try this out. You do dampen it. I feel like this is a really good size to like bounce foundation on. Use a stippling motion, works with creams, powders, and liquids. Okay, so I am really excited to try that out. Oh, the fortune cookie. I don't know what these are for. I'll save that for last. That's a surprise to me. I don't know if it says something or what, but that sponge seems really nice. I can't wait to try it. All right, next I got the Natasha Denona Mini Tropic Palette. So the Tropic Palette has been around, gosh, at least for a year. I can't remember how long that palette's been out, and I kind of eyed it and I was like, no, I don't need it. I don't need another palette. You guys know I have decluttered, and yeah, I have a lot, but I feel like this is like the best shades of the palette, because if you want bright colors, then it is right up your alley. It's got a purple, a couple blues, a green, and then like a kind of like minty shimmer here. It looks really nice. I will say it over and over and over again, but I feel like Natasha Denona shadows are just like unmatched in terms of quality. There's some nice shadows out there, but Natasha Denona, man, there's some good shadows. I'm always really impressed with the mattes, which is what I swatched right here. You can always swatch a shimmer and, you know, be like, oh, it's impressive, but the mattes to me are what really make a palette. Ooh, that like tealish color one is very glittery. It has some shine, but it's also really shimmery. I would say like you've already kind of reached like your $39 value right here with Natasha Denona and the Elsie sponge. Ooh, the In Beauty Project Glaze #1 Lip Oil. And this is Candy Apple. That sounds really nice. I got the In Beauty Project setting spray the other day. It's still new to me, so I'll keep you guys updated, but I really liked it. I actually want to put, ooh, oh, that smells so good. That is super yummy. Look at this packaging too. It's so different. I feel like this packaging is super unique. You know, we see a lot of the same stuff nowadays, but this looks super different. We got the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon from Bite Beauty. I got the shade Pavlova. I'm gonna take a shot at that, and that's the color there. Looks like a fun color. The box and the bottom of the pencil look different in terms of like the color. Oh, okay, and then it shows up more like a rich berry shade. That looks really pretty. I know that Bite has been doing some reformulation. I don't know what all the differences are supposed to be with this one, but I liked Bite Beauty in the past, and if they are improving, I can only imagine. And it looks like these are available on January 10th. So if you're interested, you can pick those up then. So it says it's a bold matte lip color that's easy to apply and you can keep with you. Oh, and this is a vegan formula #clean lip crayon. Oh, I see it drying down. It went on so creamy and smooth that I was like, wait a minute, this is matte, but I can see it now drying down. That's crazy. All right, we got 2 more products, and these are probably the ones I'm most excited for. So from Ulla Henriksen, we got the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. This one has PHAs in it and orange fruit water. This one says it cleanses and removes makeup. Now, I used to use the foaming one. It used to be the African red tea, and then it was like Truth Cleanser foam, and now this is like another one, and I've always liked them. For whatever reason, they keep changing the formula, but I've never been disappointed. So this one looks so nice. Their Truth line smells so good. It's like fresh oranges. Oh, it smells so nice. So I cannot wait to try this cleanser. I'll put the value of these on the screen because I think this is around like $30, something like that. So that alone is insane. This moisturizer though, like I have a lot of moisturizers. I don't always get super excited, but this one, ooh, this is the C Rush Brightening Double Cream. 24-hour hydration for fine lines and wrinkles, 3 sources of vitamin C, and shea butter. You had me at all of that. I didn't need to hear more, but I've already felt this moisturizer. This is a very like rich feeling formula, but it doesn't feel heavy and greasy. Like somehow it feels hydrating enough for me being really dry, but it doesn't feel like over the top too heavy, if that makes sense. It feels so nourishing. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like one of those Flintstone push pops. Did you ever have those when you were a kid? Oh, it smells so good. Oh. The one they had before is more like a gel, and I love the smell of it, but it was not quite enough hydration for me. So this one is like, ooh, it's perfect. I cannot wait to use this. So that's everything in our Trend Mood box. I will go ahead and put the value up on the screen because I don't remember what the value was offhand. Let's open our fortune cookie. Oh, how cute. It just says Happy Holidays XOXO Trend Mood. I love that. All right. I love Sophie. I think she's really, really sweet. She seems super down to earth and very like unbiased. Like she loves to just like tell us what's going on with makeup, and I love that. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Hopefully I didn't ramble on for too long and we kept this video a little bit more on the short side, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you like these unboxings. Also, let me know if I continue to get them, which I definitely will. Would you like for me to continue to do YouTube videos, or would you like to see me unbox it on Instagram? Let me know what you think below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!